Hello friends, welcome to the DirectX channel. So friends, today I will talk about Colorfire GeForce RTX 4070 Super MEOW Edition. So friend, Colorfire has unveiled the GeForce RTX 4070 Super in eye-catching orange shadow color design, and this card is the part of MEOW series that the company launched last year. As previously reported, Colorfire is actually a sub-brand of Colorful, which the company uses for some fancy design like the Meow cards. And friend, the new SKU is the first Meow in the RTX 40 Super series. The company has released the RTX 4070 Super model first, which appears to be more or less identical to the original RTX 4070 model. This model gets an upgraded 8104 GPU now with 7168 CUDA cores. There is no change to the memory configuration of 12GB GDDR6X, though. However, the Super SKU has a higher TGB of 220 worth, noting that RTX 4070 Super MEOW is now factory overclock, so gamers should accept standard 2475 MHz boost clock on the design. The company has put triple 90 plus 80 plus 90 fan cooler design supported by three 6 heat pipes, and the card is kept in white and orange color scheme as inspired by the orange gate front piece, and Colorfire claims that thanks to DLSS, gamers can experience smooth esports game and double the joy of cat petting. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.